Okay, welcome to my class. We are going to answer this paper for 2025, pure physics, 5054. That's the subject code, 5054 for pure physics, question 2, which is under simple machines. Uh, First of all, we have to revise on simple machines. Where we can say a simple machine is a device which makes work easier, and in other term, a simple machine can be defined as a device which is used to overcome load force by applying a small load force. So now our question was talking about uh, a pulley which is used for lifting objects. In this case, we had motors. They are saying a simple machine which operates using a wheel and axle principle. The diameters of the motor pulley and the machine pulley are 0.12 meters and 0.30 meters respectively. So for the motor pulley, it is this one. Then as for the machine pulley, it is this one. So the first question is talking about us finding the what the circumference of the motor pulley. If you remember in mathematics, we have learned that the formula for finding the circumference is circumference is equal to pi d, which is what the diameter. So you know that our pi is 3.142. Then our diameter in this case is 0.1 like that. So when we multiply that, the answer we are getting is 0 3.142 multiplied by 0.12. Our answer is 0.377. So when you round it off, it will be 8 meters, like that. So in this case, our circumference, it will be 0.38 meters. That would be our circumference. Then our second question reads, the speed of the belt is meters per second. If the motor pulley makes 30 revolutions per second, then they are telling us to find the what the speed. Since we have found our circumference to be that, here is just the ratio. We are just going to multiply by the same revolution we are saying 0.3 0.38 meters multiply the revolution. So when you multiply that 0.38 multiplied by 30, the answer we are getting is 1.14 meters per second. That will be our speed in this case. Then they're saying the motor pulley moves in a clockwise direction. Set the direction of the rotation of the pulley machine. So our answer in this case, it will move in a clockwise, since they are just aligned in the at the same time. So the answer, it will just be clockwise. So it will move in a clockwise direction, and let's see if they are in the opposite direction. So which of the two pulleys will rotate first? So in this case, the pulley which will rotate first is the one which is having the small diameter, which is the motor pulley. So the answer is motor pulley. The reason why we are saying the motor pulley is the one which is rotating faster, because it has a small diameter because it has a small diameter, because it has a small diameter. It has a small diameter. That's the reason we're going to give there, or say it has a small circumference like that. Okay, so now we can go to thermophysics, where we have to answer this question. When we talk about thermal energy, they are saying the thermal energy absorbed during melting is coordinated heat of water fusion. There is no change in the kinetic energy of molecules during melting. So explain how thermal energy absorbed causes change of physical state of molecules without changing its temperature. So when you talk about latent heat of fusion, we are talking about how the bonds are being broken down, so that the substance can change from solid to to liquid without changing temperature, where the temperature will just remain constant. As for question B, what we need to do here is to find latent fusion of heat and the latent heat fusion, latent heat of vaporization. Then we add them. Then that's what we're going to do. Since I don't have enough space as for today, what you can do is follow my channel and subscribe, and you can try to inbox me using this number, which is 09076 5 47 0977. This is my WhatsApp number, which you can try to inbox me for more lessons for physics and biology and chemistry pure. Thank you for watching.